Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 26th of May 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the coming expiry on the 31st. We see that the CE and P levels have risen. That's a positive. The quantity is higher for CE, which is negative. The change is higher for CE, which is also negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, which is positive. However, the PCR is 0.7, which is negative. Implied volatility is lower. Historical volatility is higher, so that's a positive and a negative. RSI is up. That's a positive. There's no divergence, which is negative. ADX and ATR are both, ADX is down. ATR is also down, which is a negative and a positive. EMAs, both are down, that's negative. VWAP is down. Pivot point is up, however, candlestick is a spinning top, which is actually a neutral signal. The new support, let me fix this, is 175, and the new resistance is 200. The option chain analysis predicts that Tesla goes down this week. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.